Is your motorcycle feeling sluggish lately? Poor throttle response, struggling to start, or just not delivering the mileage it used to? It might not be your engine oil or air filter. The real culprit could be your fuel injector. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove, clean and reinstall the fuel injector of the Honda CB300F step by step without skipping a single detail. But if you have any other motorcycle of similar kind, you can follow along. The fuel injector is what delivers precise amount of fuel into your engine's combustion chamber. Over time, it can get clogged with carbon deposit, dust, or even poor quality fuel. This affects the engine's performance, fuel economy, and throttle response. So, when should you clean the injector? Look out for these symptoms: jerky or delayed throttle response, drop in mileage, rough idling or stalling, difficulty starting, especially in cold starts, engine misfiring or hesitations. In my CB300F, when I am riding in city speeds in second and third gear, the bike feels a little rough and the fueling is not very smooth. The bike is jerking a little bit. It's a clear indicator that the fuel injector is not able to atomizing the petrol. So it's time to clean it. If you see any of these signs, don't panic. Cleaning the fuel injector make a world of difference. And the good news is you don't need to visit workshop for this. You can do it yourself at home safely and correctly. Before we started, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new to this channel. Let's get started. Now, as you all know, in my videos, I used to give some pro tips, and today's tip is about engine warning light. So after cleaning the fuel injector, if the engine warning light shows up on the digital meter, don't panic. Just install the OBD scanner and clear the fault codes. For reference, you watch the video linked in the description, or even it will pop up in the end screen right here. In case you don't have an OBD scanner, which I highly encourage you to have one, just remove the negative terminal from the battery and reconnect it after 5 seconds. It will reset the ECU and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll again catch you in the next one with another interesting video. Till then, take care and happy riding. Peace.